Okay, so if you notice an annoying squeaking sound on your Honda CRF300L or the Rally model, and all your periodic maintenance is caught up, your chain's lubed, your linkage is greased, and you've ruled out all that stuff, I figured out where the weird squeak was coming from. Now, I fixed it on this one so you won't hear it, but mostly you hear it when the engine's not running and you just kind of are moving the bike a little bit to move it around or just get on it before the engine started, and you just hear a little squeak, squeak, squeak. That's, to me, was pretty freaking annoying. So, where it was, down here on this chain slider, it actually, see, I don't know if you can see that good, but it rubs against the frame right there a little bit. So, some penetrating lube would probably do it real quick, but I went ahead and put a little bit of grease in there to make it last a little bit longer, because I mean, your chain's right here, you're getting water and dirt and everything in there. But this is where the squeak was coming from. So if that's bothering you on your bike, move this to the side, stick a little grease down in there every now and then, problem solved. So hopefully that gets rid of the annoying squeak for you guys. Anything else you need to do to your Honda CRF300L or 300L Rally, I'll put a link in the description below to our service manual. You can get it online or in print. If you buy print, it actually comes with a free year of the online access. We disassembled this whole machine. You got color pictures, step-by-step information for anything you would want to do. And any questions you have, we offer tech support, because we've already been there and we've done it. So hopefully we can help you if you have any questions. So just wanted to throw that out there and hope everybody has a great day.